Hi, my name is Emily and I am a junior at Okemos High School. A fun fact about me is that I play the alto saxophone, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to make hot chocolate. So to make your hot chocolate, these are the materials and ingredients that you're going to need. You're going to need a ceramic mug, a spoon for stirring, a measuring cup, milk or water, and then any hot chocolate mix of your choice. The first step is that you need to measure your milk to make sure you have the right amount for your hot chocolate, and this will depend on how much you need per type of hot chocolate mix you have. So mine is 6 ounces, but some hot chocolate it's 8 and some it's different. Then you're going to want to pour your hot chocolate into a mug so then you can heat it up. I chose to just heat my hot milk in the microwave because I think it's easier, and I only microwaved it for about 1:30. Now I'm taking it out. Next, you're gonna have a packet, and you're gonna want to pour that packet into your milk. Get all of the hot chocolate out of there. And then you're gonna take your spoon and start stirring the hot chocolate in, and keep stirring until you don't see any powder anymore, and once it's all fully combined. Once your hot chocolate is fully stirred, you're all done. I chose to add a candy cane, but that's just a choice. You don't have to if you don't want to. But that's all. I hope you enjoy it, and thank you for watching, and remember to keep reading and learning.